Discover the convenience and efficiency of PeaceRyde services in Nigeria. Are you in need of Nigeria business/work visa or a reliable and comprehensive logistics service in Nigeria? Look no further than PeaceRyde Logistics Limited. We are a leading logistics and consultancy firm offering a wide range of services to meet the diverse needs of businesses and individuals across the country. Our expertise spans various sectors such as maritime tourism, providing maritime crew husbandry services, vehicles rentals, logistics and transportation, Nigeria immigration protocol services and meet and greet, Nigeria business and work visa processing, Nigeria local flights and hotel bookings, manpower supply, government consultancy, armed security provision, marine equipment supply, and brokerages. Whether you're planning a personal trip or require transportation for a group, our vehicle rental services provide a diverse fleet of well-maintained vehicles to meet your needs. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility of our rental terms for a smooth and hassle-free experience. Our logistics and transportation services ensure the seamless movement of goods and materials across Nigeria. With a reliable network of partners and an efficient team, we handle the entire logistics process, from warehousing and inventory management to freight forwarding and customs clearance. Rest assured that your goods are in safe hands. Traveling to Nigeria? Our specialized immigration protocol services and meet and greet assistance guarantee a stress-free arrival or departure experience. We ensure expedited immigration clearance, minimizing wait times and providing a warm welcome or farewell at Nigerian airports. Our dedicated team has extensive experience in navigating the complexities of business visa applications in Nigeria. We provide expert guidance and support throughout the application process, ensuring compliance with immigration regulations and making the entire process efficient and hassle-free. If you're interested in temporary work opportunities in Nigeria, our visa processing services can help you obtain and extend your temporary work permit visa. We handle all necessary documentation, ensuring compliance with immigration requirements and enabling a smooth and legally compliant work assignment. Need to extend your stay in Nigeria? We provide efficient visa extension processing services, ensuring seamless and hassle-free extensions. Our team manages the application process, ensuring compliance with immigration requirements and minimizing any disruptions to your stay. For businesses looking to employ foreign nationals in Nigeria, our expat quota processing services simplify the application process. We assist with meeting the necessary requirements and ensuring compliance with immigration laws, allowing you to have a smooth and legally compliant workforce. Our services extend to assisting individuals in regularizing their immigration status in Nigeria. We guide you through the subject to regularization visa process, ensuring compliance and legal employment in the country. If you're planning to enter Nigeria for by sea as a vessel crew, our services include obtaining permission to land in the country. We ensure a hassle-free entry, making your visit a seamless experience. Our services also extend to arranging local flight bookings and hotel accommodations tailored to your travel needs in Nigeria. With our convenient options and competitive rates, you can enjoy a seamless and stress-free travel experience. PeaceRyde has an extensive network of skilled professionals and partners, allowing us to provide manpower supply services across various industries including the maritime sector. Whether you need temporary or permanent staffing solutions, our team can provide qualified candidates to meet your staffing needs. We understand the importance of compliance with government regulations and industry standards. Our consultancy services assist businesses in ensuring compliance, providing expert guidance, identifying areas for improvement, and helping establish processes that align with regulatory requirements. Ensuring safety and security is our priority. We offer professional armed security personnel to protect your premises, assets, and personnel. With our armed security provision services, you can have peace of mind and mitigate risks effectively. Marine equipment supply and brokerages. For marine operations, we supply various types of high-quality marine equipment. Our brokerage services also connect you with trusted suppliers, facilitating smooth transactions and ensuring you have access to reliable tools for your projects. At PeaceRyde, our commitment is to provide exceptional services that streamline our clients' operations, enhance travel experience, and maximize business potential in Nigeria. Contact PeaceRyde today to discuss your specific requirements and experience the convenience and professionalism our services offer. Let us be your partner in success and smooth operations across various sectors in Nigeria. Peace begins with a smile. Please share the love. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.